Conservative New Media viewers, we've got some news to report from the world of men's singles tennis. The men's final of the 2012 Rome Masters has been postponed until Monday, May 21st. I believe that the starting time of the match will be 12 p.m. local time in Rome. That is 10 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, and that is 6 a.m. on the East Coast of the United States. To repeat, the men's final of the Internazionale Biennale d'Italia, the Rome Masters, for those who don't speak Italian, has been postponed because of rain. So Novak Djokovic, world number 1, will square off with Rafael Nadal, world number 3, tomorrow, Monday, May 21st, at 12 p.m. Rome time. The Rome Masters is the final warm-up before the French Open, which will begin about 1 week from today. Reporting for Conservative New Media, this is Paul F. Villarreal. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.